Okay, I'm going to make today a corn casserole that goes with fried chicken that we're going to do because Minnie is insisting I do fried chicken and I can't do a main video because I've got nobody to hold. So I'm going to show you the ingredients on small videos and then collect them together. So if you're going to make the corn casserole, you're going to need 2 cans, not fresh, not frozen, 2 cans of sweet corn. You're going to need some yellow cornmeal that you can buy online. 1.5 cups of grated Parmesan, 2 cups of grated strong cheddar, and you're going to need 2 cups of mayonnaise. Also, which I forgot to put on there, you are going to need jalapenos, which I use these ones, which at the moment I think are Tesco's. And they've got to be minced. I put them through the food processor. That's sort of what I do when they're back in the food processor. So we'll come back to it when we have finished a little bit further. Right, so now everything is in the bowl, all ingredients, which I will also list for you as well. And then I'll pause again so you can get the next. Right, so there you go. Everything is all mixed together in the bowl into a casserole dish. You can see 1968 Pyrex, which I adore. I adore. I get so excited with vintage Pyrex. And that goes in the oven now for about 45 minutes until it's gold and bubbly, and that's it done.